This is my re-engineered BRISTLEBOT for Module 3 of this course. I thought it would be fun to make my BRISTLEBOT into a bunny BRISTLEBOT for our 3.5-year-old grandson's Easter basket. The way that a BRISTLEBOT works is there's a tiny motor that vibrates on a brush that moves the BRISTLEBOT around. Because I was wanting this for a 3.5-year-old, I watched some other videos that incorporated an on-off switch. I thought this would be helpful in my project. Because I didn't know that much about on-off switches and circuitry, I solicited the help of my husband to be my collaborator. A half of an Easter egg seemed like a good housing unit for the BRISTLEBOT, so I decided to use that. My husband diagrammed out the schematics for the on-off switch and the battery and how that would work to use on the BRISTLEBOT. It was really helpful that he mapped this out for me so that I had a clear understanding of how to add the switch. We also outlined exactly what we needed and all of our steps. This was a critical part of the process so that we both understood what the other one was thinking and confirmed that we were on the same page. My husband soldered the positive wire of the motor to the positive side of the battery, and then we connected the negative side to the switch and then the battery. We put all of this on a plastic disc so that things wouldn't be moved around and secured everything. When all of that was dry, it was put into the bunny BRISTLEBOT housing unit. It seemed like it was going to work, but it was a little lopsided going from left to right. So something had to be re-engineered. It was time to go back to the drawing board. I had the idea that if we added more toothbrush heads, that it would be better balanced. Turned out we only needed one additional toothbrush head at the back where the button was to turn the BRISTLEBOT on and off. Lo and behold, it actually worked. So I was very excited and cannot wait to give it to our grandson. This project was very heavily an engineering project where we were defining problems, developing models, planning and carrying out investigations, and then designing solutions. We also engaged in argument from evidence and communicated with each other as only a married couple can do. We gave it to our grandson and he loved it.